Hey, awesome musicians! We are working on the finger picking pattern for this song, "The Trick" by AJR. Now, the first chord is a D, and how we pluck it is the two top strings, and then the C string, E string, and the A string, and then we come back up to the E string. Let's take that really slow. Very good. I should go slower. Of course, in the song, it's probably a bit faster, but we always practice slow, and it always helps us learn faster. And let's go through the first few chords of the song. I got a dog, and my dog can dance, just not in public, and not with my friends. I have a girl, and she's 28. Now I'm the coolest guy in all of 8th grade. Good job. Be awesome and keep on having fun. Talk to you later.